everyone, welcome to I Am Deun Pen. Today is Sunshine Day. I'm gonna cook Tom Yum Goong prawn spicy soup. Let's see ingredients. Tomato, lemon, coriander, lime leaf, Ganlangal, mushroom, coriander roots, shallot, lemongrass, chili, sugar, sauce, fish sauce. And king of this menu, prawn, tiger prawn. Now let's start do it. First thing, I'm gonna pour the head prawn off. But remember, don't love this, we need this for make our soup. So I'm gonna separate the body and head. Fun thing to put the head, so put the head here. This is good flavors soup. You can smell the ocean from the head. Okay. And then we need the head for make seafood stock for Tom Yum Goong. I already cleaned, so we need to add water here. We start the heat. This is the best stock from Tom Yum. Never rubbish the head. We use the head Goong all the time when cook Tom Yum. Some people doesn't use that, but I love to use this because it tastes strong and tastes delicious from the head prawn. Water start boiling, so time to put the head prawn inside. We keep boiling for 10 minutes. Just let them boil. The time we're waiting for the stock from head prawn, we can clean the goong body. Now it's boiling. This, the orange thing from the head prawn come out and smell delicious, smell like an ocean. Wow, good flavors. Everything clean from the shell. Don't forget cut behind the prawn like that, and clean the black sting because shit. That so once we done this, we need to re-wash them again. Now I think it's ready, so I'm gonna change the pot. And you need to take the soup. Oh, wow. not gonna rub with the head prawn because I love to eat it. Now I'm gonna start add orange herb. First thing, Ganlangal. Cut slice. Small and thin. A little bit hard to cut. Okay, lemongrass. Same thing, cut slice. I leave this because to own. But I use only near to roots lemongrass. It's good flavors and you can eat fresh too. More tasty. Coriander roots. A little bit smash them. For the flavors come out. Oh my god, it smells so good. Salad. Same thing, cut slice, or you can cut long like this. Easy. Piece off. Cut them like this. Next, we're gonna cut chili. Wash your hand when you finish cut chili. Make sure you don't blab your eye now. So I'm gonna go wash my hand to make sure I be safe. Keep stir a little bit. Look at that. Beautiful color. Now we're gonna add mushroom into. Some people love to add mushroom in the end. At the same time you add prawn because mushroom easy to cook. But I love put mushroom into now to get a little bit flavors for mushroom. Beautiful. After mushroom, don't forget add the sauce. Just pin the sauce, not too much. Okay, now I'm gonna stir. Cool. Just left them like this. I'm gonna leave like this about 10 minutes for all the flavors from herb come up. And when you taste the soup, you can smell very good and taste very good. After 10 minutes, it should look like this. So we're not gonna add the prawn now because prawn take about 3 to 5 minutes to cook. cook, so easy. We're gonna chop coriander and lamb leaf for now, but we chop everything. The time we throw the prawn inside the soup, and then in the end we need to throw two things this in the end. We don't need to throw now for cook because the heat from hot can cook them. So let's cut it. The lamb leaf don't need to cut because you can't get flavor. What you need to do, you see this bit, leave off like this, and then like this. More flavors come out when you're broken something like that. Oh my god, I can smell that. So good. And another thing for lamb leaf, you need to know how much soup you have got. You can't add so much too because it make bitter. Just a little bit for smell flavors. So I'm gonna add just about 4 leaf. Now time to add prawn. So we're gonna add it. Keep a little bit stir. About 3 to 5 minutes. We keep stir. Okay, we shake the prawn. Now time to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. For the fish sauce, you don't add on the middle. When you're cooking, you add here. So it's not one time smell fish sauce. So see, when I add in, I can't smell any fish sauce. It's good. This is a good flavor I tell you to share it. Stir. Shake. Keep shake the prawn. Prawn is cooked. I'm gonna turn the heat off and add coriander leaf, lamb leaf. And I'm gonna stir again. You see that? The heat from hot. Already cooked them. Oh my god. And I'm gonna taste it. Remember, you don't add so much fish sauce or sugar much. You need to taste and after we can add again. I'm gonna taste this. I need one more fish sauce. And stir it. Oh, so nice color. Gonna taste it. absolutely this time perfectly. Now time to serve up. This is enough for 3 people. I'm gonna cut the lemon. Smell very fresh lemon. And stir in here. Let's taste it. I need more lemon. I love sour. Perfect. And this how it look like when finished cooking. Very good. Oh my god. Very fresh. Very yummy too. Now I'm gonna show you how I eat head prawn. This is good flavors. In my home, when we cook barbecue prawn, we're not fighting for the body, we're always fighting for the head. Because it's the head, the good flavors and have a little bit juicy. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe, like, or you can comment what you love I to cook next Thai food.